Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'll be creating a flashback on VN video editor on how to create a scene of a flashback. So just watch out and watch to the end and see how I will create my own version of flashback. First of all, what we do is import all the clips or all the pictures in which you wanted to use, and you have a specific ones that you'll be using as a main subject in which you wanted to use as a flashback. So what you just do is, one, you need to bring it in, then you overlay all the pictures in which you wanted to use as a flashback on the main picture. So what you just do is, once you have overlay them, so what you do is you will use your max tool to just fade away some part of it, and once you have done that, you will do it to all the clips that you have done an overlay on, and you export. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share.